Melissa, wait now. Eh? Meme, wait now. Why they behave like this?
What's happened?
See, Melissa, I know say you dey vex. See, no vex. But you know me very well now. You know me too well. No be my fault. No be my fault. You know say that Uncle Tolu now. You know say we don't repeat class well. Because say we been team pataka we tibali but we don't sabi anything. No, now my friend, you know say we know book. I am akoko. We know sabi am but that one day. Now that Uncle Tolu. Now you can tell me say I go give him my chopping sen. Say if I give him, he go pass me. Say if I don't give him, say na so I go repeat this class till like wala javo. I couldn't say
I beg, wait first. Now say you. I should be my friend.
I be your friend.
You be my friend.
Your sister.
And you know say me and Tolu, I know they used Tolu play. You don't know. You know. You come from back. Can't go meet them. Make it pass you. You know say you don't get sense. Now me for meet. Tell me say Afao, see as this thing bio, see what Tolu tell me me how you go do am, you be my friend, make corona. You call me tell me say, see what Tolu they tell me Tolu they worry me say if I don't do this thing, say go. Now me self dey in the right position to tell and say you self you no go write exam. Make him pass you. You go pass you. But no, you from back.
I no come from back now.
No wahala. You see me like this. I no fit follow person for this life drag man. You no reach me and you anywhere to the drag man.
Drag why they say
I just leave am for you now. Why I tell you say I don't forgive you. I don't forgive you. Actually I tell you say I don't forgive you. Now Tolu I dey vex for. That one no get sense. You see for this whole school like this, every girl gets story to talk about Tolu. He almost slept with all the girls for this school. You don't know. You don't know. You see? Now why I say I don't go too vex for you. Now that he goes where in leg, no dey one place. I forgive you.
Wow. Are you saying? You see that Mr. Tolu, you no go better for him. You no go better for him because this thing when you do, not be saying now waiting I won't do. I no go feel break the girl's code like that now. But I beg, make you no vex, Make you just free him. See, he never start to the run, no. You never even see anything. You never even see anything.
Just relocate to go another city. But guess what? For there where you go, you dey go work, you get accidents, you can't die. For city where you relocate to, shut up. What thing you talk?
Now when you hear that kind of gist from?
I don't tell you say me and they run things. I dey date am. And I get contact of his siblings. I call him for days. You know pick. Now one of his brother now can't call me, can't tell me say he got accidents.
Hey!
And he no survive.
You see him?
Now so God they do things. Make
you
just the waka people like that.
When you think say you want wicked people, God go use another way, comot you for way. You never see anything.
You don't mind now.
I say you never see anything. What did you do me? He chop my kobrabe. You never see anything.
Chop you well.
No, I bet my sister no vex. Yeah, Shebi we don't settle.
I forgive you.
I bet forgive me. I know say you be my G.
Now you go buy me lunch.
I will buy you lunch. Maybe we even find one student who will buy us something now with their money.
Dave. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh shit. Tolu has told all the girls here, my nigga. Tolu has told my promsy. Monday Tolu atamwa. Tuesday Tolu atamwa. Friday Tolu atamwa. Oh my God, yeah. Well, it's chill. Niggas don't cry, nigga. Niggas don't cry. We pop up, yeah. That's my real nigga. We pop champagne when it's bad. We drink Hennessy when it's bad. Niggas don't cry. Niggas don't cry. But so, this breed girl is a ghost school, nigga. The school is a ghost. Ah!
Who is she? Who is she?
Hello. Yes. Please, have you seen Bianca? No, I have. Okay. Thank you. I'll check the other class. Hello. Have you seen Bianca anywhere?
baby. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning, ladies.
What's up?
Fine. I hope you guys had a good night rest.
No. I did not have a good night. You know they there. Imagine say you dey there to just hold me, do me people. Everywhere for still now. My night for gang. I just did.
For me, my own was so cold, but I used blanket to cover myself. Are you okay?
Yes. Sorry about that. Did you guys by any chance see Bianca anywhere? Like outside the gate, anywhere within the school premises?
Bianca.
Yes.
Now she be the principal for this school now. Now she be the first person where they open gates. If you enter this school, you know see Bianca first. Now you be say something dey wrong. You understand? But what's happen? You don't check them everywhere. You know see her.
Yes, I have checked everywhere so far.
Now why you dey look for Bianca? No, make I ask you now. Why you dey find her? She don't see your note again. No, tell me, make I go bring that girl. Make I break her now. Where she dey?
Calm down.
Where she dey?
Yes, something like that. I am looking for my notebook.
My baby. Wait to Melissa. Melissa, you see him face. Something tell me say, you know everything know they alright.
You be like person where they fear.
Hey, see make you no be like saying I love her. You don't love that girl because I no go agree. I no agree. Yes. I no agree. Make I go find that Bianca.
Come back.
Make I go find her.
Who you want find? We'll go drop our bag. You know so we'll not go assembly. We'll go drop our bag before they go catch us. I better come who they go.
You waiting you do for here. Hold your class. Hold your class. Move like the man. Move like before they go catch us. Stupid thing. I say go. They go your class.
Hello class. Hello. We have a new student and her name is
My name is Mirabelle Jumbo.
So please, you guys should make her comfortable and guide her through the scheme of work.
Observation. Observation.
Stand over, observe us.
Thank you. Observation. Observation.
Mirabelle, stand over, observe us.
Bianca. Bianca.
Sorry. I'm not Bianca. My name is Mirabelle Jumbo.
Sorry, it was a mistaken identity. I thought you were someone I knew.
Who is she? What's the mission? Strange things I...
This was where I was buried.
What?
Yes. Why are you running? This is not the time to run. This is the time to end all this drama.
Are you saying if I bring the police here and we dig up this place, we would find the remains of you?
Yes. Thank you.
Good day, Mom.
Son, how are you? Please sit.
That's your uniform. Come closer, come closer. Man, not gonna go say example. What's your shirt? Put it well.
Okay. Mommy, all is not well.
What is it?
Mom, I am not comfortable with the mysterious occurrences within the school premises. The other day, a book hung in the air in my very before and got burned to ashes. And I also learned that some of my classmates were chased by a ghost, and the ghost also flogged them. And this is becoming too scary. Mommy.
Students, we are flogged?
Yes.
How is that even possible? Did you see the spirit with your eyes?
Mommy, the other day when I came to school, I met the spirit. I saw the spirit.
You saw it with your eyes?
Mommy, are you aware of any spirits moving around the school premises?
My son, I am not aware of anything. I'm not. You're just telling me.
Mommy, are you sure?
How do you mean if I'm sure? I just told you that I'm not aware of anything. You're asking me if I'm sure.
Okay. I will go back to class.
Hold on then. You see this school? And everything in it. It's all for you. Yes. It's all for you. All my hard work to grow this school to what it is today. It is for you to handle it in the future. So please, do not lose guard. Don't get distracted.
Yes.
Put yourself together and stop listening to rumors.
Okay.
Guy, this is the first time Bianca is missing class since her JSS1.
Yes. It's a little bit strange. But I just hope she's okay wherever she is.
I hope so too.
Bro.
Yeah?
I need your advice on a friend of mine needs my advice on something. He said that his father killed their house help, but the man lied about it. The issue now is the spirit of the innocent house help has been appearing to him, asking him to do something about it.
And what exactly does his spirit want him to do for her?
She said ever since she died, she has had no rest. Her soul has known no peace. And for she to find peace and rest in peace, her body must be exhumed for a proper burial.
Assumed? But me and you know that boy cannot do that without his family or the girl's family being involved.
Yes, this will mean involving the police, involving the boy's father, and the girl's family, of which the girl's family will demand for an explanation for what happened to the girl.
See, I think the challenge this boy is having is whether to save his father by not doing what the girl, as in the spirit of the girl, demands, or to do what the spirit demands and watch his father go to jail. I think that's the challenge he's having.
Exactly.
See, the thing is that this girl in question is someone's daughter, you understand?
Yes.
And the girl should put his own sisters in the girl's shoe and know how it feels. You understand? If I were him, I would just report my father to the police, and if he cannot defend himself, he will just face the wrath of the law.
Yes. Exactly what I intend to tell him to do.
But what exactly did the girl do that made his father kill her?
She said the man killed her for ritual purposes.
Ritual?
Yes.
Then you should report to the police already now. If not, it will be the next sacrifice. So.
Yes. You are correct. I will tell him.
Better tell him. No time. There is no time.
Every decision, oh, and every choice will take its fall.
Hey, come to think of it, tell me, what's your problem? What's really wrong with you?
You don't seem to understand that those girls are evil.
Come on, guys, just overreacted. See, the way you are getting close to this Bianca of a girl. Yeah, the way you are getting close to this Bianca of a girl is becoming too much, and people are talking about it. You know, she's a minor. You want to go to jail? But because the way it's happening, I feel you are, or are you in love with her?
What are you talking about? You should know me too well that I will have nothing to do with a minor, and I am far bigger than that. My moral standards are bigger than that. I mean, what are you even talking about? Don't you understand that I have a whole lot on my mind? What are you even saying?
Guy, it's clear now. It's clear for everybody to see now. It's like you're falling in love with this girl. She's too small, oh. Not go jail, guy. You'll go jail.
What are you even talking about? If only you know what is in my mind, you won't be here saying all this nonsense. Excuse me.
Come on, guy. This thing is clear now. See, you'll go jail, oh.
Innocent space, and darkness takes the flight. Who is she? Who is she?
You said I failed this particular question in the last test.
Yes, but I will still ask you the question. Let's try if you still remember.
Wait,
What?
wait, let me catch my breath. Hold
Yeah,
on,
really?
wait. Okay. Go on.
Okay. What are the types of common crimes?
Types of common crime.
The one you used to do before. What is that? What is that?
Okay. How many do you intend I mention?
Mention like 5.
Okay, 5.
5.
Okay.
Okay, should I give you hints? In class, you know you normally do.
What are you talking about?
I'm sorry. Continue.
Who is she? Who is she?
Man, I don't understand. Everything a person they see for horror movie, now it just they happen for this school. I just they form America to just run go back village. My uncle where they train me now. How I want to do this kind of thing? Just come on for this. I don't understand you. Oh my God. Please don't do this to me, please. Please. Because please, I beg you. I'm sorry.
Stanley.
I know I'm scared right now, but I'm gonna try and maintain my steez, okay? Just call me Stanzy baby, okay? Stanzy baby.
Stanley.
Yeah.
I know you heard our conversation.
Please, I heard nothing. Listen up. Sometime I'm a deaf guy. I got so deaf I can't even hear anything. Please, I'm deaf. Can you hear that? I heard nothing, please. Wait for no.
And you recorded Kelly and I. The way you record Tolu and his girls at the school.
Okay, all right, okay. I'm gonna man up to my responsibilities right now, okay? I'm giving you an open apologies. I know I have offended you once, no, twice, no, 3 times, many times, I don't know. But please, right now, I'm begging you with everything you believe in, forgive me. I'm not gonna do that again. Please.
You know the truth already, so you have to help.
I can't.
Stand. You go to the police. Get the police to start the exemption. I will show you the place. I know Kelly will be afraid to help because it involves his mother. I have been in this school for 11 years. My soul hasn't rested. So please, I need your help.
I'm lost. I don't understand anything right now. What? You've been in this school for 11 years? How? And you're still like this? Small and... Are you a dwarf or something? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I know you got some powers with you, I know. I'm sorry. Okay, mind what you say, bro. Okay. I've accepted. I'm gonna help you, okay? I'm gonna be a man right now. I'm gonna help you, okay? But please don't even try to come back to say thanks. Don't, please. Thank you very much. Oh yes, I've accepted everything. Please, don't even come back, okay? Okay, this is gonna be the last, and I'm done, and you are done. Everybody's done. Please, I just wanna.
I will guide you to the police.
God damn.
Thank you very much.
God. I don't even know why you choose me. I don't even know. I just okay. Which police station? Which division? I'm in a big shit. I'm in a real shit. Oh God, how did I even get myself into this mess? I'm just making videos and people are just believing. I need to go back to my village after this shit.
All you know how to do is make noise. Remove your bags. Well, I'm taking you on. My friend, lie down and remove your bags. Remove your bag. Remove it. What is going on here? Ma, these students are just noise makers. They were just making noise and doing side talks.
Really?
Yes.
Since when did that start in this school? Since when did that start in this school?
You can see what she's wearing. Very short. Very short.
I don't want to see you with this short skirt again.
Can you imagine?
Did you get me? Nonsense. Imagine. Hey, and you too. Where are you coming from? Go to your class. Nonsense. You have committed again. Stanley, you have committed again. Officers, you don't need to bring him to the school. No, take him to jail. I will call the parents to meet you people there. Take him to jail. Take him away.
Sorry, ma. We are not here for him. We are here for you. You are under arrest for the murder of one area. You can show us where you buried her. Let's move.
Oh, get in there. What is this? You're under arrest. Why you tell us to not tell our mama? Hey! This woman is an evil woman, no? You don't forget. I don't talk about it. You tell us to close our mouth because you be murderer. We don't finish you today. We don't finish you.
We think we're alone, but our actions, they have a way back home. Every secret, every hidden deed will find its way to your doorstep. Indeed. We think there's no one watching, but eyes are on us all. Every decision, oh, and every choice will take its fall, good or evil. And when we reap what we've sown, we'll face the line. Every decision, oh, and every choice will take its fall, good or evil. And when we reap what we've sown, we'll face the line. Oh. what goes around comes around. We'll face the line. Justice will be found in this world around. Oh, don't think you can hide. Don't think you can hide.
Remember on what I run away my eyes. Well, we remember Aria, what I run away my eyes. What I run away my eyes. Well, we remember all.
What's the mission? Strange things are happening. Who is she? Who is she? In the shadows we sound. This innocent space, and darkness takes the flight. Who is she? Who is she? See her. Darkness takes the flight.